guys, so today I'm going to be doing my top box versus top box. Okay, so obviously you can see the difference between the two. I've already actually opened this one because this one kind of was popping open, but this one is the one that technically has my sister's name on it, and then this one is mine. So if you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not new, thank you for joining me again and coming back. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go and hit the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. So if you want to see the difference between one top box compared to the other and if they're completely different, just keep watching. So let's start off with technically mine. So mine always comes in a cylinder like this, just so I know the difference between the two. And the reason why I'm doing this, if you haven't seen my other videos, is because I want to see if, when I put in the information and the difference, if they send me different things. So we shall see. So again, it just comes out like this. There is always the top box thing, which I can't really watch. And then again, there is a Nude by Nature coupon for Shoppers Drug Mart. So of course there's going to be something Nude by Nature in here. Honestly, I'm kind of getting sick of the Nude by Nature stuff. Literally every box so far for the last like maybe 4 months have been Nude by Nature. And I technically got a preview box. If you haven't seen that, check that video out. But I got a Nude by Nature preview box one time a couple of months ago, and I already have quite a bit of stuff from them. But every single one so far has had a Nude by Nature since then, so kinda getting sick of it. I'm not exactly really using it, so I've used the primer and I like that, but I don't know. So first off, there is a Nude by Nature product in here, and I think this is what it looks like. And then this is what it looks like inside. It's got that plastic filmy. I am not going to open it because I already have one of these and I barely use it. This is their translucent loose finishing powder. So I already have one of these, so I'm not going to open it. I'm probably going to put this in like a giveaway. All right, up next in this one is this here. I think it's called Dulce. This is a Fierce and Fine graphic pen. Oh, it's an eyeliner. Okay, so this is what it looks like there. I'm just gonna do a line here. So it's very, very dark. Obviously it's black. It is a very, very thin liner. That is cool. We always get kind of like black eyeliners. I like the fact that this is a felt tip one and it's not like a kohl eyeliner pencil. I am getting sick of kohl eyeliners. I don't like them at all. I don't use them. So this I'm going to definitely try out, and I will let you guys know. If you guys want to know how well this works, leave me a comment in the comments below. And there are 2 more items in here, and this is a brand called Illumiere, I think it's called, Illumiere. And this is a rich, vitamin-rich, smoother face primer. This is clear, practically. This is 8 milliliters, so that's not bad for a travel size. Oh, that is kind of nice. It's nice and smooth. It says it's for all skin types. I will definitely be giving that a go. I love... I actually really like face primers, and I definitely am not going to complain about getting them in my top boxes. And there is one more item left, and this is from Smashbox. So this is what it looks like here. I don't know if it's going to pick it up. This is the Smashbox Super Fanned Out Mascara. I'm assuming it's in black because I don't know why you'd send a brown one. Ooh, hey, okay. So this is what the wand looks like. I love getting these kind of travel size mascaras, only because it takes forever to get through a larger one for me. I love mascara, but I have a lot of them, so the small ones work really good for when you're traveling, so you don't need to bring a whole new one with you. The only problem is I don't know if this one is waterproof. I'm gonna have to kind of check online. I'm definitely gonna give this one a try, especially that way you can kind of tell if you like a product or not. That is the fun thing about getting these top boxes that and like subscription boxes, is you can figure out if you like a product by getting like a small one. So up next is this one. So this is the next one, and once again I can see something in here. Let's just jump right into the first thing, and the first thing in here is this face mask, sheet mask. So this is Masquerade, it's called, from the brand. It's called Masquerade, and this is the Bubblegum Pop Charcoal Bubble Sheet Mask. Okay, so, bubble. Okay, where's the English? Cleanse face, dry, da-da-da-da-da. Okay, so apparently it bubbles on your face. That kind of seems fun. It says it purifies and deep cleans with the bubbling. Okay, so if you guys want to see me test this out, leave me a comment in the comments below. I think that'd be really fun to have a charcoal mask that bubbles. Let me know. Okay, so this is what else is in the bag here, and I am seeing a repeat of 2 items. So I'm not actually going to open them. This one is exactly the same thing, and this is the translucent powder from Nude by Nature. And this is the eyeliner from the Dulce, I think it's called. Both black and translucent. The only thing that's different is the face mask. This box is not shaping up to be very impressive. So those are probably both going to go in a giveaway unless I absolutely love that eyeliner for some reason. But I use the tattoo eyeliner by Kat Von D, and I also have a bunch of other liquid eyeliners. So I don't know if I'm going to love that. I will test it out, and if I absolutely love it, then yes, I will keep it. But definitely one or both of those face powders are going into a giveaway at one point, or to a friend. So there's one more item in this lovely pink bag, and this looks like it is a cream of some sort. So I think it's called Kalila. I am really bad at pronouncing names, honestly. I am awful. Super awful. At pronouncing things. So this is whatever. Okay. So this is a hand cream, and I got a coupon for it as well. So you get 10% off of this brand. This is got aloe, coconut oil, and marula, whatever. Okay. And another oil. Who cares, really? There's too many oils in this hand cream. It's for youthful hydration and anti-aging formula on hand cream. So let's just open this up and see if it smells good. I get a lot of hand creams in this top box, which I am not complaining about. I love miniature small hand creams. They work really well. They're perfect for going on vacation or throwing them in your purse. Okay, so it is clear, obviously, white. Ooh, that smells really good. I don't really smell a whole lot of the other oil. I smell coconut oil, so I'm gonna let you know if it feels greasy or disgusting. That is my biggest pet peeve as a hairdresser, putting on hand cream and it's disgustingly greasy, and then I'm trying to do things and I can't do anything because my fingers are slipping. It does smell nice. It's not overpowering. It's got a nice coconut smell to it, but it's not insane. It feels a bit oily, but it's not too bad. Definitely think I like this product. Okay, so let's see which box versus top box I liked the best. This one, the one that I just unpackaged, I got a really great hand cream, a face mask, and then these 2. In the other one, I got, again, these 2, the eyeliner and the face powder. I got a small face primer, and then face powder, face primer, and then the Smashbox mascara. So honestly, let's weed out those 2. So technically, this is the difference between the boxes. I'm not gonna lie, this one is definitely winning out. This box definitely won this month. They are getting really similar. I don't know if you guys watched my last one, you would know too that I got some of the same things from last time. So if this continues, I may end up canceling the one top box just because I don't really want to get the same thing. That was the point. I wanted to make sure that they were completely different so I wasn't getting the same thing. So we will see. I'll give it maybe a couple more months and see what happens. If you guys want me to do a review on any of those products that I got in this top box, in this top box, leave me a comment in the comments below. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!